like the idea of how it being the New Year's resolution of everyone's dropping their like sweet stuff, and I thought it was all really, really realistic.
The ice creams, because it looks really creative. While how you put it down, it looks like someone spilled it from the top all the way down to the floor.
It's really cool that high schoolers can be really cool at making designs and like ice cream sandwiches and like popcorn. I like how it was really creative and he made it look really realistic. It was really interesting that the whole thing put together looked really cool and it just made everything look much different. I like the donuts because they were all of them were really realistic. It's cool how just one thing looked small, but then when they all were put together, a big circle, it just looked complete.
Amazing how one person can put so much effort to make just one tiny thing, and the person who created this idea decided to put them all together.